traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar, I still think that this is going to end up forming most likely a 5-wave uptrend. I think it's likely to make its way all the way up to about the 161.8 because I believe this is a wave A. I think this is a wave B, and I think we're now in a wave C of an expanding flat. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think the 5 ways up ending right here is a wave 1. I think this is a big expanding flat ABC correction for a wave 2. That makes this right here a wave 1 of 3. That makes this an ABC, so a 2 of 3. And that also makes this going up for likely what I think is going to end up being a wave 3 of that expanding flat wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, if you zoom out a little bit, you can see that we did pass the previous highs pretty strong. A lot of times you do get some pretty decent pullbacks after you do break the highs, but not always. I definitely wouldn't really rely on that, going short or anything like that. Definitely looks like we're in the subdivisions of a wave 3 on the daily time frame also, so I would definitely continue to be bullish. The trend is up. There's no breaker structure to the downside. There's no lower high. There's really no reason at all to think the uptrend is over. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push up right here. I'm looking for 3 waves down and pulsive up to go long again. It kind of looks like a wave A, a wave B, and now we're probably going to go down for a wave C before we actually do get the entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, if you zoom back in a little bit, I think that this right here is a downtrend, which is why I think this is likely a wave A. I think that we're probably now in a correction to that wave A, which is this black Fibonacci retracement right here. So watch these Fibonacci levels, which is the retracement of this move down. Likely this is going to be a wave B, and likely it'll probably go back down to one of these red Fibonacci levels for a wave C before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. Now, the trend is up on literally every single higher time frame, and sometimes what we think is a wave B just ends up continuing the uptrend. So I would definitely primarily focus on going long. I'd be very cautious about trying to sort this wave B for the wave C, because oftentimes when you're in a wave 3 on the higher time frames especially, the trend just keeps on going and going and going and going, and you definitely don't want to be a top or a bottom feeder when the higher time frames are in a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.